After prolonged use, if your machine begins making a cluttering sound, you can reset it effortlessly in just 3 simple steps, all from the comfort of your home. Let's see how to reset it. To eliminate the sound, begin by unscrewing the 3 screws on the faceplate and carefully remove it. This part of the machine has become loose, causing an unpleasant sound during use. Simply tighten the screw to fix it. Your machine is now running smoothly. Reattach the faceplate, fasten the screws, and get back to your Singer 9900 sewing machine.